You prefer the gift of sex, not the ugliness it hides? Uche, you will wrestle me. And if you beat me, then she is yours. And if I do, she will be mine forever.
My son is not a wrestler, he's the chosen one.
What about my son?
It's a shame your son was not chosen.
Ready, see? This is a manly challenge. Fight me! We have tested the bitter pills of defeat. Victory shall no more elude us!
It's a setup, Mbisi.
Yes, it is. Your setup. Warma told me everything.
If you love me, then give me the fish.
Let me jump into the deepest part of the river and get you the biggest fish.
Never underestimate the strength of a woman. Especially the ugly one.